Get the flowers.
Sorry.
What are those flowers? What do they do? They plant or something.
Yes, Tasha.
They're planting in water. So cutie. What is this?
It's also a flower.
Oh, cutie. Okay, let's go. What's bird?
On the wall.
Oh, they're cutie. See one bird.
Hey, they are also eating something there.
They're eating coconut.
Are you sure it's coconut? Or it's bread? Leave them, let them eat. They'll go away. If you are new here, my name is Nancy. Welcome to this channel. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Enjoy this vlog. So when my village diaries. Then you put it in the bowl, okay? Okay. The sun. It's coming all the way there.
Yes.
Hey. I didn't know it's coming far away there. Sorry, eh? So I'll give it to you. Then you put it in the bowl, okay? Like it? So you won't do it. The cassava is dirty. It's sand. When you finish, you wash your hand. Yeah. It's housefly. They won't come again, okay? We'll finish right now. Then we'll do. Aduko emoji fridge ni na ole nza fufurana. Hey, what are you nzan? Busen do ana. Eh. Yeah, sure. What are you is there on hand side? Yeah.
I'm going to first day rally. I don't know what you look at.
Flap from you.
I'm the only member of the plan. And it's only our member first year. Can I reaction?
Oh, yes, I reaction to all kinds. You memory kinds. Na bonia imo ne memory. Bio can I call a memory be any memory?
So get dying. What is the carrying? So 2 or 3 days.
Oh, yeah, me money if you bonu ba be say mo on memory.
Okay. Where can I carry? Like coffee. No more remember by my I read your more.
You can. Let us Jackie Fatuke.
Ya kan ben diye ama. Laka ben diye. Kun be ovore mna le shan ya hore at the bien. Tapara. Last week.
Be in the biwolo.
Ya hore.
Pharmacy man.
Meeting.
Hey.
Yeah, meeting.
Every year. Okay, be mu am be Vince man na executives. Yeta kwa na hanton be bi wa around and I see one adren is exam first be bi oti.
Okay, tapa dia mani o cousin ni.
Be ba na han.
There is two okay.
Oh, okay.
Some castle. You do very
Yeah.
Ko tapa side go one na le kwala na ko. Some castle ba. Okay.
Yeah. You can bet to association dues. Lady mo o so gra. Ai mo be ba ye work zera.
Ba ye work. Na na kan dia mo executive. Me work la. Ye tuno ni no. Na ma ba represent yo. Ini program ya ba ye kawan.
Better work me miss so or you. Na case me prepare. Yeah. Will you eat wachi? Should they bring you some of the wachi? When I finish, I'll go and give you some, okay?
Na adwa we na temosa o mo di ka kono handa
Maybe I'm mommy also, yeah. Come on. Back up here every. Erika bia beda nwushi endede etu ikazela. Basi ikama befe kukontele. Ni handi eju anabuzma oye bo. Auntie Dinah. Muna Isaac. Is any abu. Tingazinga mululu jakaona. Moti aiva. Tadi hido jakaona mwana. If you have watched this vlog up to this end, kindly subscribe to the channel.
Mkofuna mumuli anu mwenzi mlako igwazo ha. Bani omamu.
So a little backstory about this cassava. My father brought them from the farm and we used some earlier in the morning. And because we don't want it to rot, I decided to peel them and then wash them thoroughly. And then I'll keep them in the freezer so that the next day or any other day that we will need some to cook for either fufu or ampesi, we'll just go into the freezer and then get it and then we'll cook it instead of leaving it there because we are not sure when we are going to cook it. So that is the way we preserve the cassava in the village. We wash it to clean all the dirt from it because it's fresh. There's a lot of sand and mud particles around it, and so I wash them until the water is so clear. Then I put them in a rubber, a plain rubber, and then I keep them in the freezer. So enjoy the vlog to the end. You see how I kept them in the freezer.
Why there's no water there? You can start with that water, then come in 2 minutes.
Orkasa.
What you say? Chancing. Ah.
So this is so beautiful.
And this brings us to the end of this vlog. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is my village diaries. Until we meet again in the next video, this is me, yours faithfully, Nancy. Bye. Kindly do well to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. See you.